I'm floating on the dance floor tonight. Yeah, the feeling in my system feels right.
Ooh.
Cause I came here to dance, 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 dance the night away. Dance, dance, dance.
Welcome back to another episode. In today's episode is going to be a nice one because I'm going to be installing some love. Oopsie. Nobody saw that. We're going to be installing some love into my wife's SUV. So if you want to see this, stick around. It's going to be fun. So we're going to be installing this BlackVue camera onto my wife's SUV to make sure it's protected because I do not want any crashes unrecorded, God forbid. But so I went ahead and ordered the BlackVue extra battery. I don't believe I have this in my STI, but I thought to myself, and I was like, might as well just get something that will be useful for any time. All right, so here we have everything we need. We have the front camera, the back camera. We have the connection to the fuse step if you want. We're gonna do only the camera, but in this case, we're gonna use the battery pack, and this is going to be the socket for the lighter cigarette that is going to go into the lighter cigarette. This is going to be for the camera. As you can see, right on this cable is going to be plugged in right there, and this one's gonna go to the camera. So let's get going on that. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this panel and that panel so we can run the cable for the dash cam around here. And then probably through here is gonna come out somewhere. I don't see this having any space, but we'll figure it out.
I'm floating on the dance floor tonight. Yeah, the feeling in my system feels right. Cause I came here to dance, 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 dance.
Alright, so it's worth mentioning that I have wasted the last 20 minutes trying to close the tailgate because I unplugged these two cables over here that are for the mechanism, and somehow it got like it annoyed and it got stuck open. So I spent like the past, I don't know, I want to say maybe 20 minutes trying to open it, and it would not open till I found this video on YouTube. So big shout out to what's his name, his channel is Menji Car. He explains how to do it. For those of you that bump into this issue, if you ever have a Toyota Highlander and you have issues closing it, so what you do is you manually close it. You go onto the front of the car, and if your settings got turned off by accident, you turn it back on in terms of the tailgate height, and then it would just power back up. I was so scared, but I was able to do it now, so it closes. Check it out. It works. So let's go finish the job. So I'm going to go in here because I want to adjust the height. Oh boy, this is a little tough, but I want to adjust the height on the tailgate camera, so that way I'm able to see exactly where it is through my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead here and get the cable, and I'm going to connect it here, and I'm gonna load the app on my phone. Going to try to connect again. I don't think I was able to. Let's see. So actually I have disconnected it from the phone. Let me go connect it back. Should be powering up now, and let's do this. All right, live view. Let's do rear, and you can see here, you can see it. All right, let's do this. So I have finally finished. As you can see here, I have the camera here. The other camera is on the back. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Right there is lighting up. And then as you saw on my time lapse, I put the charging battery there, routing through this way, and then coming this way for the camera, and then routing it back down this way. And I try to hide it as good as I could on this side, which I'm gonna have to use some like glue sticks to keep it, and then comes here. Now you might be asking, why didn't you connect it straight to the battery? Because apparently this specific model, which I didn't know, it's a new model, it is not designed to go into the battery. It's designed to go to the lighter cigarette, I guess, because it's a 5-volt one. But you could get that bigger external battery for you to plug it in fully into the battery, which it makes sense. But at the same time, I really don't want to do battery straight on a hybrid car, because this is a Toyota Highlander hybrid, and I do not want to have any issues with that. So that being said, it all plugs in. I was able to double check on that app. The app is working perfectly fine. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.